Hey, welcome back to the Fifth Survive channel. So I have another custom Swiss Army knife here that I'm going to be showing you today. And so I've called this an electric Dragonox with a scalpel mod. And so I'll get into the tool set here in a bit, but first of all, the scales, they are zirconium scales from Meton Boss. So it's this nice dark color. Now the back is his titanium pocket clip. It is removable by these Torx screws. And they're also their plus scales, which means it has the pin and the needle right here. And actually, these are his older model of pocket clips, because now he actually makes pocket clips that have the kind of Benchmade basically setup. And so I'll include links to this. Be sure to check out his scales. Some really nice stuff he's making there. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the tool set. So the first thing here we have is the Havalon scalpel holder. And so major advantage of this is that first we get a nice sharp blade, and whenever it gets dull, instead of sharpening it, you chunk it and you can replace it. And replacements are pretty easy to get. It takes a number 60A is for that scalpel. Or also, as you see here, there are some different attachments that Havalon also has. And so if you want, you could snap on a saw like that. And so it's a nice, really sharp saw there. All right, and they also have a gut hook. Also, you can snap on. And these do actually close into the knife, but it looks kind of awkward. It kind of like protrudes like that a bit. So anyways, really nice. I like how the scalpel can take the different attachments. And there's also a special tool for replacing the scalpel, a little plastic tool, and so it keeps your fingers safe. All right, and then behind that we have the Spyderco Dragonfly 2 blade. And now this is the K390, so it's a bit different steel, really hard to find from time to time. Also, you can tell that the tools have all been acid etched and aluminum washed, so it makes it, give this dark color. And also the liners, they're black G10. All right, continue on here with the tool set. We also have scissors. We have the electrician blade. Now this is from the 93mm electrician. So we place that in here, place it on the original blade layer. And we have the bottle opener. And so the bottle opener and the electrician blade have replaced the original large blade and the original small blade. Right on the back we have the corkscrew with some of Dragonox's newer mini tools. This is the mini Phillips screwdriver. And we have the helix tinder from Tortoise Gear. If you haven't seen this, be sure to go back and watch that video. Basically, this is tinder for starting a fire. It's a really cool way to take advantage of this corkscrew opener. All right, like I said here, they got the needle. This is also from Tortoise Gear. This is their Firefly. So this is a ferro rod. And then on the back, I have the green tweezers, also from Dragonox. It just kind of helps match just the color setup here. All right, so let me know what you think about this knife, and let me know what would you name this. I called it an electric Dragonox with a scalpel mod, of course, because of the tools I placed in it. But let me know what you would call this with a tool set like this. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.